What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in, owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of Welding and Hip Hop. I was asked, what is one of the first easiest businesses to start when you're doing your independent welding, as far as trying to create your passive income? And I would say it is to get start a t-shirt business. It's very affordable. All you have to do is get your logo, and a lot of it you can be able to upload it online on Amazon merch, and you don't necessarily have to print the shirts, buy the shirts, or ship the shirts. You just have to have a account set up, your logo, and everything, all the information needed, and Amazon pretty much does the rest. And you get a nice royalty. I mean, honestly, what you get from it, from what they charge, and it's not expensive what they're charging your clients, to me is worth it. And your work was to promote it, to advertise it, and to pay for your own graphics. So if you got a good logo and a good movement with your independent welding, fabrication, whatever it is you're doing, installation, I think having a passive income of that could also help you. You know, it can be something that could actually help you go on some vacations once a year. Or, you know, it's not like a stupid amount, but if you have people that shop online, which a lot of people shop online now, you can actually get passive income to help you do a few other things. So I think it's smart to do. It's like I say, it's very cost efficient. It doesn't cost a lot. All you have to do is just do the proper preparation and take the initiative to get everything up and going online. And hey, it really doesn't cost that much. I'm gonna give you an example and kind of show you my screen real quick to just kind of give you an example of a purchase I just got and kind of show you the royalties. As you see here, it says right here, it was one US purchase, and within the last 7 days, and that purchase was $5.29 worth of royalties. And I don't have anything selling in Europe or another thing. So, and just kind of show you what I got live, the products, you know, some of the statuses that I got going on. And if you go to when you manage it, you can also see everything that you have live. So Amazon actually gives you a good opportunity for entrepreneurs, independent owners to create passive sources of income. Very affordable. It's easy to do. Like I say, if I can do it, you can do it. Just a few steps. They pretty much show you how you got to get your graphics lined out, what size you got to have. Pretty much shows you everything you need. And then when you need to create something, and give you the platform and show you the layout. I'll let it pull up real quick. And as you see, it gives you the layout. So you can be able to have different type of items uploaded. And it also tells you once you hit it, what it got to be, you know, all that good information. So it'll tell you the size when you get ready to upload, what it need to be. If it doesn't fit the proper size, it'll flag it. So that's just a few things to know. Like I say, I think that it doesn't cost a lot to get it started. And as an independent owner, it's nothing like having a little source of passive income. And if it's a movement that you stand behind, that you believe in, most definitely get it going. You know, my HogOn pandemic shirt, Pan-Africa shirts, my HogOn welding shirts, and just the struggle of someone has survived, they can get what it means to actually get that HogOn. So I think that is purpose. I think that's a good purpose to put your movement out there. You never know who else might gravitate to it. So, you know, if you got something good, invest in it, get it out there. There's many ways to network what you got going. HogOn.